Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly magical in store for you. We all lead busy lives, and finding tranquility can be challenging. But don't worry, because today, we're going to take you on a journey to ultimate relaxation with our sleep-inducing visualization script. So, find a quiet, comfortable space, dim the lights, and let's get started. Close your eyes and imagine standing at the shore of a calm, pristine ocean. The sun is gently setting, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. The waves kiss the shore, and you can hear the gentle, soothing rhythm. Breathe in deeply, inhaling the salty sea air. Now, imagine yourself walking into a tranquil forest. The tall trees sway with the breeze, and the leaves rustle softly. You can feel the earth beneath your feet, connecting you to the ground. Breathe out any tension and feel the peace this forest provides. As night falls, you find yourself in an open field. The sky above is filled with millions of twinkling stars. Each one holds a secret, a promise of serenity. Lay down in this meadow, feeling the cool grass against your skin. Look up at the full moon, bathing you in its gentle, guiding light. Let its radiance wash over you, filling you with a sense of calm. You are safe, you are at peace, and you are ready to sleep. As you continue to embrace this calming visualization, you'll find that your mind is now free of worries and your body is completely relaxed. This is the power of visualization, a path to a good night's sleep. If you enjoyed this sleep-inducing script, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more peaceful journeys like this. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family who could use a good night's sleep. Until next time, sweet dreams.